So my bike has a nice stereo on it, and actually I enjoy listening to it when I'm out on the highway or doing stuff like that. Some people like to listen to music through their headphones. I like it coming through a stereo when I'm on the highway because I can still hear things around me. Nothing's kind of in my helmet, which can also hinder my ability to hear other things. So I like having a stereo that's out there, which I can access and change volume, etc., again, and be able to just, hear other things. Now, I don't necessarily listen to my stereo on my motorcycle a lot when I'm in the city, because I do know that not everybody else wants to hear my music. Or I'll just really just turn it down a lot. So Mary's bike, my wife, doesn't have anything like that. And we used to have a Bluetooth speaker, but when we moved, we have no idea where it went. So our friends over at Lexin, right here, Lexin, sent us these. This is the Lexin Q3. Now the Q3s do come in black and they come in chrome. So you actually see on Amazon here, it says, right? These are there's the Q3CH chrome or the Q3BL black. So I asked Mary which one she wanted, and she decided to go with black. So 4.5 star rating right now out of almost 1,200 reviews. That's pretty good. And we're going to crack open the box. I'm not going to show you guys how to install. If you actually come to the Amazon link, which I have down below, they have a little video over here. You guys, if you click on it, you can see it kind of pop up right there. And they go through the install phase. It looks pretty easy. If you have a charger on your bike already, for your battery, then really easy. And they show you how to actually pair it with Bluetooth. For us, I just want to know what it's like traveling maybe at highway speeds and through some of the back roads, just to hear what it sounds like, especially on my wife's bike, because my wife's bike is loud. So crack open the box and then see what they sound like. Okay, so first off, before we go there, like I said, they come in black and they come in chrome. They do say, I think, that they're 3 inches. So they are a fair size would be my guess. So depending on what kind of bike you have and if you want them to, be right out there, you may think that's a good size. You may not. I'm not too sure. Now, the other cool thing, which I don't think we are going to set up, it may be something that we hook up later, is as you can see here, they have LED lights on the back, which can tie into your signals so that you can use them as signal lights too. So if you have a custom bike that you want, and you're like, oh, I don't want them to look silly, well, you could actually put them on your bike, maybe have them inverted, whatever, and use them as signal lights. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I like the black. And USB audio, so it does have USB, Bluetooth, which is probably how we're going to use them, and FM. So all kinds of coolness. Yeah, see that? 3.93 inches. Yeah, they're decent size for sure. All right, 150 watts. This is the box right here. All right, looks good. Lexin, they have a little Lexin charger on there. Of course, that doesn't come with it, but for you that are interested, you can head on over to the Lexin store if you want a little RAM mount with charger. There's the box right there. You guys can see it. Oh yeah, see that right there? Little USB piece. Oh, that's handy. I actually bought one for Mary's bike, but maybe I don't need one now. We'll see. And I think that's kind of it, right? A little bit more over there. Bluetooth 5.1, LED turn signals, 3-inch, 150 watts, heavy duty, FM radio tuner, 3-button control, IP67 waterproof, USB interface, fits for 7/8 and 1 1/4. Love it. I love it. I don't know what size bar she has, so I guess we'll find out. All right, here we go. Ready? And voila! Just make sure that stays down. Okay, so we do have a how to use. We will definitely look at that, but it's a nice size. Goes through everything good. Excellent. That's nice. We have our zip ties and some screws here with the Allen key. Again, that's going to be very useful. This piece here is going to go to your battery terminals. Now, if you already have one of these, you don't necessarily need this one anymore. But if you don't, then this is kind of important, because this is where your speakers are going to get the power from. This is the antenna. So I don't know where to put this, and I'll be completely honest, I don't really know if Mary needs an antenna on it, but there is an antenna that I guess we can figure out where to put somewhere. Well, we'll set it up, see how it goes. There's the little spacers depending on the bars that you're using. So if you find that you need more space or less space, you need to get them clamped more, there's a whole bunch of different sizes there, so that's good. And what else do we have here? My guess is we have speakers. Yeah, whoa, they got some weight to them. They definitely have some weight to them for sure. They are a good. There's my hand, right? So there's my hand versus them. Now they are solid. They are solid for sure. And that's a light, they say. Really, that's a light. Now I would have thought that doesn't even, it really doesn't even look like a light, but they're saying that's a light. And now unless that piece comes off, I don't know, but maybe not. That seems it seems like maybe it's a cover. We'll plug them in and see if they light up or not. If not, maybe this comes off. I don't know. And last but not least, you do get, of course, a bunch of cables. This is gonna run, of course, and it's from the primary speaker. This is like the slave speaker. This is the primary. This is gonna run back to, well, to this. And you even have, look, it's even, see that? So much cables. It's even like nice little braiding there off the main one. That's nice. All right, well, let's go. It keeps popping up. Let's go. Well, I'm gonna go put them on, and let's see what they sound like. Okay, so got it installed. It actually is not hard to install by any means. We did have a plug, you guys can see it right here, already installed on her bike, so we just tied into it. And of course, when we want to charge it, we'll just unplug that. Speaker wise, I'll just sit on her bike here and turn the camera around. Hold on. Okay, so speaker wise, you guys can see them right there, right? Cable management is okay for now. I will try to get it a bit better. For those that have like a bat wing or something, just kind of realize where you're putting them. You don't want the buttons to be able to really touch that. So these do have the ability to kind of move around a little bit, which is good. The left one is the one that's kind of the controller of everything. So you'll see if I tap this. Is it tap? Hold? Maybe hold? There it is. You actually see the lights, so they are lit up, right? Which is cool.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Now my phone is already connected. So, real fast, without going crazy so I don't get a copyright strike here. Ready? Here we go, ready? And they're loud. So, they're not, you're not going to be like bassy, like home theater speakers and stuff like that. I find even mine on my bike are a little bit more high on the treble, which is understandable because it's trying to compete with your motor. So if that lot of low end, it's hard to hear. The one thing you have to realize, and for me, it's kind of nice that it's on here. You can maybe see it on her headlight. You can see the lights in there where they're yellow right now. So it's a nice reminder that these are still powered on. So you just hold that button.
Power off.
Power off. They turn off. And you're not going to run your battery out. But realize that this will run and draw power if you have it directly connected to your battery. Because even with the keys out, they'll turn on. So I think it's a nice addition, and actually the black goes well with her bike, so that's really good. Easy to connect, like I said. The moment you turn them on for the first time, they automatically go into Bluetooth pairing mode. So just have Bluetooth open on your phone, and you'll be good. They show up as Q3s, I believe it is, and yeah, that's simple. Now they have the radio. I did attach the radio antenna in there. I don't listen to the radio, but it's there. USB is there as well, so it'll pull some power there if you need it.
You may even be able to go into like a USB mode where it pulls music from it. That I'm not too sure. I believe it's just power though. Yeah, not bad for 189 bucks. I think they look good. We'll be spending some more time riding with them, and we'll let you know our thoughts in an updated comment below. All right, if you have any questions or if you've used these, let me know. Be interested to hear what you think. And that's it, guys. Links down below to the Lexin Q3s. We got them in black, but they do come in black and chrome. Links down below to Amazon. And that's all. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.